Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'll be baking dinner roll. So let's get baking. First of all, I'm going to add my flour, then sugar, yeast, salt. But I'm going to make a space for the salt because I don't want to add the salt on top of the yeast. Here I'm adding warm milk and melted butter. The warm milk will help the yeast to proof. So I'm just going to mix it. So here I'm putting my dough on my workstation and I'm going to knead it with hand. For this particular recipe, I'm not going to use my mixer because I want everybody to be able to bake this dinner roll. It's very easy, it's soft and fluffy. It's something that once you get a hang of it, you wouldn't want to stop baking it. So I'm going to knead it for 8 to 10 minutes until my dough is smooth and elastic. As you can see, the dough is already coming together, so I'm just going to knead it for a few more minutes. For the list of ingredients and their measurements, kindly click on the description below. Now my dough is fine, so I'm going to cut them into 4 portions. Then I'm going to knead it just a little bit and roll it into shape. The good thing about this dinner roll is that you don't have to let your dough rise the first time, knock it down, then let it rise the second time. This is just once. After kneading it the first time, you put it inside your baking pan and let it rise, then bake. So now I'm going to put it in my bread pan, and the pan is already greased, as you can see. Then I'll cover it with a tea towel and let it double in size. Then bake. You can see we're done. All I do is just grease it with some butter, and here is my fluffy dinner roll. Thank you for watching and do have a fantastic week.